In case if you want to execute the function after specified time is completed, then you can use this setTimeout function. So the setTimeout is the predefined function in JavaScript which receives a callback function as argument and invokes that callback function after completion of the specified number of milliseconds. But it calls that callback function only once. For example, there is a callback function here that performs some task. So what is the code written in this callback function doesn't matter. So there is a function and you are supplying the callback function reference as argument to the setTimeout function so that you will specify the callback function and the number of milliseconds after how much time you want to execute that callback function. Here, the setTimeout function executes immediately, but your callback function will not execute immediately. Internally, the setTimeout function sets a timer so that after completion of the specified number of milliseconds, automatically it calls the callback function once. Of course, I think you know 1000 milliseconds equal to 1 second. So at what kind of cases you will use this setTimeout? For example, in an application, after 5 minutes automatically the session should expire. So then you can use this setTimeout so that automatically after the specified time is completed, the session will expire. And otherwise, in a website, you would like to show a commercial ad after opening the web page, especially after 1 minute. For example, the web page is open now, and after 1 minute, you would like to show some ad in the middle of the page. Then you can write the code of displaying the ad in a function and invoke that function after 1 minute by using the setTimeout. Like this, whenever you want to execute the function based on the time bound, then you will use this setTimeout. So let me create a file that is settimeout.js. Suppose the requirement is that you would like to display hello message at the beginning and after 5 seconds you would like to show goodbye message. So you're writing a function that prints hello message, and let me create another function that prints goodbye message. So you would like to execute this say hello function immediately. So I am trying to call the same, but I would like to show that goodbye message only after 5 seconds. So whenever you have some time-bound tasks, then immediately you can think about setTimeout. So here you are calling setTimeout and supply the reference of the function that is say goodbye and supply the number of milliseconds after how much time you would like to execute that function. So in this case, I would like to execute that function only after 5 seconds. So actually 1000 milliseconds equal to 1 second. So you can directly supply like 5000, that means 5 seconds. Or you can write like 5 into 1000, which means 5000. So in this case, you are going to instruct the JavaScript interpreter to execute this say goodbye function only after completion of 5 seconds, but not immediately. So it internally sets a timer. So immediately after completion of 5 seconds, it makes a call to the say goodbye function. Let's test the same. So I am running the application right now. Immediately we got hello, but after 5 seconds, we are getting that goodbye message. Let's check again. Now we execute that hello function, but after 5 seconds, we are executing that goodbye message. It's because the setTimeout calls that function after 5 seconds as given here. So in the real world applications, after specified time is completed, automatically the session should expire. Otherwise, an application waits for OTP for specified number of minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes. For this kind of cases, you will use the set timeout.